Ever wonder why your saws felt really slow? Chances are your turning looks like this. If that's the case, then you need to learn what's called finger tricks. Finger tricks are crucial to achieve not only smoother turning, but also faster executions for algorithms, as well as F2L. So in this video, I'll go over the fundamentals that you should know, with examples using them. Now before getting into the finger tricks, we first have to learn holding the cube like this, which is called home grip. Both thumbs are gripping the front, middle on the second layer, and ring on the first layer at the back, and pinky at the bottom for support. Finally, our index fingers can move freely to do U moves. Okay, let's first look through the easy finger tricks you may know. To turn the side layers, you typically would re-grip to turn like this, and R2 like that, or like this. But remember that your other thumb should grip the center while turning a side layer. For example, if I want to do an R, I'll use my left thumb to grip the center to prevent accidentally turning both layers. For U moves, you would use your index, and for D, you would use your ring. Okay, let's apply these first tricks with a soon. R, U, R prime, regrip, U, R, U2 with index, R prime. For wide moves, it's the same except how you grip the cube. For instance, wide R is doing a regular R, but also gripping the middle layer like this. Finally, for the front layer, you could regrip and turn with your index, or by pinching later on, or with the thumb by gripping the top with your index. The same idea applies to the left hand, but generally you want to turn it with your right hand. Now let's practice it on this bow tie OLL. Thumb F prime, fat sexy move, and fat sledge. So once you got the hang of it, it's time to jump to the next level where our turning will have some slight adjustments. For side layer turns, we can turn at home grip like this, and double moves by rolling with our index. Onto U moves, we can pinch after an R or L move, or push, as well as drag like this. However, for D, it's push with our ring only. To do U2, instead of overworking it with only our index, we can do index then middle like this, and for D2, ring middle, or pinky ring if you prefer. But for F2, it's index middle. Now let's practice it on the pi OLL and alternative out. R prime, left index middle, R2, U pinch or push with index, R2, drag, R2, U2, R prime. Lastly, onto M moves with our right index finger gripping the middle. We could either use our middle or ring to push up. The same fingers for M prime like this, and ring then middle for M2. So let's finish it off with this UB perm. M2, U prime, M push with middle finger, U2, M prime, U prime, M2. Alright, that's all the essential finger tricks. Hopefully by practicing into the algorithms you know, plus F2L, you should be able to apply these to achieve smooth turning. Anyways, take care and have a good day.